Are you a recent graduate looking to break into the world of digital marketing, HubSpot CRM, and marketing automation? This is your golden opportunity. Introducing the 3-month free HubSpot internship in Inboundsys, Mysore. Designed to help you launch a high-demand career in HubSpot automation and digital marketing. What you will learn? Master HubSpot onboarding and implementation, Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, and Service Hub. Learn to automate marketing, optimize sales, and manage customer support with HubSpot. This is not just theory. You'll work on real-world projects, get career guidance, receive certification, and potentially be hired by the organization. HubSpot professionals are in huge demand, and this internship can boost your chances of landing a great job in digital marketing, CRM consulting, or sales automation. Don't miss this opportunity. Seats are limited and applications are filling fast. Apply now and take the first step toward becoming a HubSpot automation expert. Your future starts here. Click the link in the bio or visit www.inboundsys.com/careers. See you in the internship.